Hello everyone. Today we are going to unfold the truth behind the curtain of rumor regarding the English word hello. So respected viewers, now time has come to understand that being human, when we are going far from one another to establish us as distinguish oneself to feel the self-esteem, self-actualization, whatever it is, then a set of 5 letters, only a set of 5 letters, that is hello, since its birth has been struggling to make our greetings expression attentive by breaking the barricades of the social classes to maintain a status quo between elite to poor, educated to uneducated, golden collar workers to white collar workers, relatives to strangers, even friends to enemies. But unfortunately, the word hello itself under the trap of the rumor regarding its history of origin. So to uncover the truth, let us come and glance on the pages of the history. Before going in depth, we would like to request you that please do not skip any of the portions of the video to avoid the breaking the chronology of the important facts. And please press the subscribe icon to hit the bell icons for getting the notifications of updates on this kind of videos from our channel. And please do not hesitate to press the dislike icon if you dislike our video, and also if you like our video, then please press the thumbs up icon. According to the Oxford English Dictionary, the first documented use of hello was in 1827. Back then it was used in two ways. First of all, as an expression of surprise, and second was as to get the sudden attention. But big question remains that why do we say hello while answering over the phone? First of all, let us rescue ourselves from the rumor which may have picked up over the internet. The story of the rumor says that when the telephone innovator Alexander Graham Bell was patenting the telephone, then he called to his girlfriend named as Margaret Hello, to whom he married in later time. But it is one completely false story. Yes, you are correctly listening that it is one completely false story which is not based on any historical facts at all. And now let us ensure it by searching on reliable source on internet. The rumor is the name of the innovator's wife is Margaret Hello, but Wikipedia is telling that name of the wife is Mabel Gardiner Hubbard. Once again, Mabel Gardiner Hubbard. And now let us ask to Google, who was the first girlfriend of Alexander Graham Bell? And answer is not only Mabel, but also some of the article from secondary data source are telling firmly no, Margaret Hello was not the GF of innovator. So respected viewers, it is proved that origin of the hello is not the surname of GF of the telephone innovator. And finally, let us know why do we say hello when answering the phone. As telephone was new innovation, that's why innovator intended to standardize a new word to greet on telecommunication, and he suggested an older maritime greeting, ahoy hoy.
Ahoy, ahoy.
And usage of ahoy hoy is to greet or to get attention of small sloop-rigged coasting ship. In fact, he felt strongly about ahoy that he used for rest of his life. But his formidable competitor Thomas Edison, he was also another one innovator of telephone, and thought the better and smaller word was hello, and he urged to people to say hello when user will use. Edison innovated telephone. Thereafter, when the first telephone book was printed in New Haven, Connecticut, USA in 1878. It included a how-to section as well as tips on telephone etiquette. It informed to the readers that telephone users should initiate a telephone conversation with a firm and cheery
Hello. Hello.
1880 edition preferred hello had won out, not hello or ahoy hoy. That's why hello got public acceptance and we are still using hello while we initiate answering over phone. So respected viewers, as far as possible we have revealed the truth from history to break the rumor, and if there is any mistake, please let us know through comment, and if you see any rumor in society, then please let us know through comment as well. We will surely study on that to uncover the truth. And please press the subscribe icon to hit the bell icon for getting the notification of this kind of videos from our channel. And also please do not hesitate to press dislike icon if you dislike our video, and please press thumbs up icon if you like our video. Thank you.